Next important point that we are discussing is graph of y equal to modulus of gx. So how to draw graph of y equal to modulus of gx? So for this one, what you will do, step 1, draw the graph of y equal to gx. Step 1 is what? Draw the graph of y equal to gx. Step 2, take mirror image of below x axis graph with respect to x axis. Okay, so what you do, step 2 is what? First is what? Draw the graph of y equal to gx. Then what you do, step 2, take mirror image of below x axis graph with respect to x axis. Okay, so what you do, below x axis graph is it that will take mirror image with respect to x axis. Then step 3. Okay, step 3 is what? Remove below x axis graph. This is step 3. Okay, so these 3 steps if you follow, then you can draw y equal to modulus of gx. Next we are discussing graph of y equal to modulus of log x to the base e graph. Okay, so what you do, step 1, we have to draw graph of y equal to log x to the base e. So what is the graph of log x to the base e? This is x axis, this is y axis. Okay, and base is what? E value is what? 2.7 something. That means base is what? Greater than 1. So what graph will come? This graph will come. So this point is what? X equal to 1, y equal to 0. This is the point. Okay, so step 1 is what? This one. Step 2 is what? In this one we will take mirror image of below x axis portion. So below x axis portion is what? This portion. So if you take mirror image, then what will come? This will come. Okay, so if you take mirror image, so this will come, and this point is what? X equal to 1, y equal to 0. So if you take mirror image, then we will get this one. Okay, this is below x axis mirror image if you take, so it will come like that. Clear? So this graph will come. Then step 3 is what? We will remove below x axis graph. Okay, so directly we can remove here. So if you remove this one, this will come. So below x axis graph we will remove. So this graph we can say y equal to modulus of log x base e. So all the steps we have done. Step 1, this one. Step 2 already we have done. Then step 3 we have to remove. So this is directly step 3. Okay, so this is step 3 directly we are writing. So this is graph of y equal to modulus of log x to the base e. Next we are discussing, this is y equal to hx graph is this one. So we have to draw a graph of y equal to modulus of hx graph we have to draw. So you can see this is the graph. So how to draw? So very simple is that. Okay, step 1 is what? We have to draw y equal to hx graph. So already is done. Then second step what we will do, below x axis graph we will take mirror image with respect to x axis. So this is your x axis. Below x axis graph is what? This one. Okay, so above is what? As it is only. So below is what? This portion. So if you take mirror image, what will come? This one will come. Sorry, this will come. Okay, mirror image. And this one mirror image if you take, what will come? This one will come. Okay, now next what we will do, next we will remove this graph. Below x axis graph we will remove. So this is what? -1, this is 2, and this graph also we will remove. So this graph will come what? Y equal to modulus of hx graph. Okay, so we have given what? Y equal to hx graph, and this graph will come y equal to modulus of hx graph. So below x axis portion we are taking mirror image. So this one and this one we are taking. Okay, and these two are as it is, and below x axis graph we have removed. So this graph is what? Y equal to modulus of hx graph. This we got. Next we are discussing y equal to modulus of x square minus 5x plus 6. Draw the graph and also define the function. Define the function, that means what? We have to remove modulus. Okay, without modulus we have to define the function. Now solution. So for that, what you will do, first thing what we know that inside quantity where it is positive, where it is negative. So for that we will use wavy curve. Okay, so first we are finding here x square minus 5x plus 6 is greater than 0 or equal to 0. Okay, so we are finding interval where it is positive and where it is negative, so we are using inequalities. Okay, so we are finding interval where it is positive, automatically we will get the interval where it is negative. Okay, so we are using wavy curve. So first we will factorize this one. What will become? X minus 2 into x minus 3 greater than equal to 0. So what is the critical point where this becomes 0? So you can see at x equal to 2 it is becoming 0, at x equal to 3 also it is becoming 0, and these 2 points are included because we want equal to 0. Now you can say if we take any value greater than 3, so this is positive, so product will be positive. Okay, and if I take any value between 2 to 3, this is negative, this is positive, so negative to positive what will become? Negative. So in this interval what will become? Negative. And if I take less than 2 any value, this is negative, this is negative, so product will come what? Positive. So you can see automatically we got that x square minus 5x plus 6, here it is positive, here it is negative, here it is positive, correct? That means x square minus 5x plus 6 in this interval x is greater than 3, okay, equal to 3 also we can take, and less than infinite. In this interval inside quantity is what? Positive. X square minus 5x plus 6 is what? Positive. So this one inside quantity is positive, so modulus we can remove directly. So what you can write here? Y equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. Now if I take in this interval x is less than 3 and greater than 2, okay, equal to we are not taking here. Okay, so you can see if x is 2 to 3, then you are getting x square minus 5x plus 6 is what? Negative, because this is negative. So inside quantity is what? Negative. So how to write? Y equal to inside quantity x square minus 5x plus 6 into, because inside quantity is negative, so we have to multiply here minus 1. So what will come here? Y equal to minus of x square minus 5x plus 6. This will come. And if I take x is less than 2, okay, less than 2 and we go till minus infinite, so minus infinite, okay, and equal to 2 we can take here. So if we take this one, so here what? X square minus 5x plus 6 is what? Positive. So inside quantity is positive, so what we can write here? Y equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. So how to define the function? So we can define function like that: y equal to modulus of x square minus 5x plus 6. So you can see inside quantity is positive in this interval and in this interval. So what we can write? X belongs to what we can write? Minus infinite to 2, minus infinite to 2, 2 is close, union 3 to infinite, 3 to infinite. So in this interval inside quantity is positive, so what we can write? Y equal to x square minus 5x plus 6, and in this interval 2 to 3, so x belongs to 2 to 3. Inside quantity is what? Negative. Inside quantity is negative, so what is the function will become? Y equal to minus of x square minus 5x plus 6. If you want, you can take equal to 2, equal to 3 here also, because at 2 and 3 this inside quantity is 0. So modulus of 0 is what? 0 will come. So here also we will get 0 and here also we will get 0. Okay, so equal to 2, equal to 3 here also we can take and here also we can take. That is, there is no problem. So this is your function will come. Okay, like that we can define. Next is what? We have to draw the graph also. So to draw the graph of this one, what you will do? First, step 1, we have to draw a graph of y equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. So this is parabola. This graph we can draw easily. Okay. So at 2 and 3 it will become 0. At 2 and 3 it will become 0. So what parabola will come? Like that. In quadratic equation also we discussed how to draw the graph. So this is a graph of y equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. This is step 1. Step 2, mirror image we will take. So this is graph is like that. So if we take mirror image, what will come? This will come. So this is 2, this is 3. Okay, below x-axis we will take mirror image. So we take mirror image of 2 to 3 portion, this portion, so this will come. Then step 3 is what? Step 3 is what? We have to remove this one. Okay, we have to remove this one. Okay, so step 3 also we are doing here only directly. So this is a graph of y equal to modulus of x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay, and here if you define function like that, so 2 to 3, what function is coming? Y equal to minus of x square minus 5x plus 6. So we can say this function is what? Y equal to minus of x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay, so this is the graph of this function. And 3 greater than 3, what function will come? X square minus 5x plus 6. So this is what? Y equal to x square minus 5x plus 6 graph, and this is also y equal to x square minus 5x plus 6 graph. Okay, this is the graph.